show you some strange stuff happening on weather maps. There was a video uploaded to YouTube last night claiming that it could be a HAARP array. We had a lot of strange weather last night, very gusty winds, and hot wind. We don't get hot wind in Tasmania where I live, so that's why I started checking this stuff out. You see this green beam here? Yeah, sure, it could be just some kind of, I don't know a lot about weather radars, but I'm assuming it could be a radar glitch. You get the sweep on the map. So that's the first one. Inland Australia there. Then there's this strange circular pattern, and this is Northern Territory map Grove. Yeah, I'll let you decide on that one. More circular weather patterns here. We have another one of these beams. This is the first one that I saw. This is what kind of concerned me because I live in this area. So when you see a beam of this sort, which could be a HAARP array, then again, could be a radar glitch. But earlier on, if you watch this cloud that's coming down here, this cloud was running straight into the beam and just vanishing. It was just like, hi, I'm a big storm, and boom, gone. You can kind of see it happening now, but you only just sort of catch the tail end of the beam. Mouse over it when it comes up. There, stay there. So you got the beam and then the cloud heading towards the beam. And, yeah, cloud vanish. So, I think it's strange, this area here. The cloud, that right under my mouse, the cloud seems to be just appearing there. It's not like the cloud is sweeping across the map and coming down over Tasmania. It's appearing here off the coast of Melbourne. But again, you decide. Generally in this area here, I believe the cloud looks to be appearing